to. Now write go to, guys. Next one, go to. Write this one. Go to. What is go to? Go to statement. Conditional statement. Go to. It is used to transfer the control. Right? It is used to transfer the control from one place to another place. From one place to another place within a function, also called jumping statement. Also called jumping statement. In Java, there is no go to. There is no go to statements. Okay. Yeah, right syntax also, guys. Right syntax also. Completed. Yeah, one small task for you guys. This is a label name. We can write label name anything. Right here, go to label. Go to Shiva. I have written, right. Label name is your wish. Okay. Program execution starts from here. Okay. First line it executes. Second line, third line, and fourth and fifth. After fifth line, go to Shiva. When I say go to Shiva, it go there and it execute this. Okay. Write on a small question. Generate numbers from 1 to n. Generate numbers from 1 to n. First question, guys. One small task. In Java, there is no go to statement. All control statements it supports, guys, except go to. Why in Java they remove go to statements? The task for you. Tell me tomorrow. Yeah, completed, right? Go to is also called jumping statement. Okay, see. Yeah, yes. How to use go to statement? Now I am using go to statement, right? See. You have to read a number, guys. Int I comma n. Yeah, if there is no stop condition in the goto, where control starts from main only, you know, right? That execution control, that is called thread, guys. In C, only one execution control will be there. That execution control starts from here. First line it is. Now it will ask for enter a number. Yes, I will write enter any number. Enter any number or enter a number. See this. How to read a number, guys? Scanf, we read a number like this. Percentile address of n. N is what, guys? Given number. Yeah, we have to generate number, guys. I should start from 1. Why? Because we want to generate. Can I take ABC? Yes, we can take ABC. Print I value, guys. How to print A value? I am printing a value, right? See, percentile D, A value will be printed. Sorry, I value. I is how much? 1. Next value you want, right? I plus plus. Next go to. Next value go to ABC. I want to print again and again, right? Printing condition I don't want. If there is no condition, if I give, what happens, guys? It continuously takes executes, right? For example, 5, see once it is printing till which number? I will show you. Yeah, which number it is generating, right? I will give a delay. For example, delay of, if there is no condition, what happens, guys? 1000 milliseconds, guys. Now which value if I print? Now 1 will be printed, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till which number? 32,767. I want some speed, guys. I want to increase some speed. How to enter speed, right? See once. Now I want to write delay of 100. If I enter delay of 100, see once. If I enter 5, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still it is printing, right? Some slow only. 35, 40, 50, 60, right? It's generating numbers. Okay, I want to reduce till I want to increase the speed. Delay of 10 milliseconds now. See once 5 if I give. See guys, it is printing some speed with 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, right? Okay, it takes a lot of time if it is printing with that speed. 1000, 2000, right? Still I want to reduce, right, delay. I want to increase the speed, guys. Delay of 1 millisecond. If I enter millisecond, see guys, now 300, 400, 1000, guys, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, till which number it prints? Now till, see, you have, right, in integer range 0 to 32,767. After that again minus 32,767 it generate. You can see the numbers, right? 17,000, 18,000, 19,000, 20,000, right? 21,000, 22,000, 23, 25, right? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, right? 31,000. See, it is printing a number minus 32. Again minus 32 number. You understood, right, this diagram? If you understand this diagram, you can understand why it integer we have taken, right? That's why 0 to 32,767 it exceeds. After that again infinite number it won't print, guys. After infinite times that numbers it generates, that's all. It won't go to the infinite number. There is no infinite number, right? Integer range only it will increment. 32,000 again minus 32,000. See once. Minus 3,000, minus 2,000, minus 1,000. See this. Whenever it is again positive number. Still those numbers within this range only it generates those numbers. I said, right, whenever it is exceeds, what happen? I plus plus, I plus plus. Whenever it is going to 32,767, after the what is I plus plus, guys? Next number is this only. Not next number 32,768. There is no 32,768. Clear here? Yeah. Now, but I don't want this output, right? 1 to n, right? Now, what I want to write, guys? Here condition I want to write. How to write condition? If I less than or equals to n, I will explain how this will execute. Okay, see this. Go to ABC. Only I have given a condition, guys. Okay, if it is having one statement, parentheses are optional. You know, right? See how it execute. First step, guys. First, we'll enter a number. I entered 5, guys. I is 1. 1 will be printed. 1 is printed. Next I plus plus 2. 2 less than or equals to 5. Yes, go to ABC. Now it goes to the ABC. 1 again I value will be printed. I value is 2. Again I plus plus 3. 3 less than or equals to 5. Go to ABC. Now 3 will be printed. Again I plus plus, guys. What is I plus plus? 4. 4 less than or equals to 5. Go to ABC. 4 will be printed. Go to ABC, right? Again 5. 5 less than or equals to 5. 5 will be printed. Again I plus plus 6. 6 less than or equals to 5. False. It won't go there. Now 1 to 5 will be printed. Now if I enter 5, see this 1 to 5. If I want to 10 till 10, 1 to 10 will be printed. If you want a delay, now we can give a delay now. See this, if I enter 10 till 10 it generates. Got it guys? Now how it prints the values? Yeah, write this program. Generate n to 1. Write that program guys. Generate n to 1. I will give some program n to 1. First second program also write. Generate n to 1. Write this program. Generate n to 1. Yeah, 1 to n guys. N to 1. How to generate n to 1? Tell me. N to 1, not 10 to 1. I is from, we should start from n is, I is n, right? Yeah, I is n. I minus minus. What is the condition I have to change? I is n. Condition. Condition okay now? Yeah, I greater than 0. First I value, for example, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Whenever it is 0, we should stop. Okay, see once. If I enter 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If I enter 10, 10, 9, right, till it generates n to 1 guys. Okay, and I is n. I is n. We can write like this: printf of percentile I in. I less than or equals to n. No, I less than or equals to 1. Ramesh, the condition is false. I greater than or equals to 1. Okay, not less than. Completed guys. Now see, I will give some questions. Try those questions guys. I will give some questions. Generate given series. Try these programs using goto. Don't use loops. Generate given series. Generate given series using goto statement. Using goto. Okay. First series guys. Try this program. First one. 0 to 4, 8, 10 until n. This is a first program. First series guys. Generate first series. Second series guys, generate the given series as 0, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 till n number. I want n. Second series. Third series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 till n. I want n. Next, you are understood, right? Till n I want output. Fourth one. Yeah, remember this is some difficult. For example, n is 7 I entered. I want output like this: 7, 22, 11, 34, 17, 52, 26, 13, 40, 20, 10. Yeah, some same in this process till 1 will get a 1. Next to 5, 15 again will get a. For example, n is 5. Next is 5, right? Yeah, for example, this series we have to fourth is one, guys. If n is 5, if n is 5, then 5, 15, sorry, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. This is a, if n is 7, this is a series you want. Okay. If n is 5, this is a series I want. Next one, you have to do with the only go to statements. Don't try with other. Now guys, next fourth one. This question asked in TCS, guys. Try this, but it's difficult to do. Try once, no problem. Try. And so on. Nth term. No, now n terms you want. Yeah, guys. N terms we have to generate. Yeah, very good. These 5 programs you try, guys, in the for next session. Next one is, guys, switch case. Next one, switch case. I will tell you this switch and I will complete. Right now, switch case. Completed. Yeah, next one, switch case, guys. Switch. Yeah, write the switch case. First one, switch. Write this.